Tracfone offers two main ways to add data: data add-ons and PIN redemption. Data add-ons are optional packs, such as 1 gigabytes for $10 valid for 30 days. Buy through the Tracfone app, website at tracfone.com, or call 611. Cost deducts from your balance. The website provides a step-by-step guide for online purchases. Alternatively, purchase a PIN card from retailers like Walmart or online. Redeem the PIN by dialing 555 from your Tracfone or through the app and website to instantly add minutes, texts, and data. For support, call customer service at 611. Monitor your data balance using the Tracfone app to view remaining data, expiration date, and usage details. You can also check your balance by dialing 777 from your phone. Alternatively, visit the Tracfone website to check your balance online. Tracfone offers auto-renewal options to prevent service interruptions. Since 2023, app usage for data purchases has risen 32%, and since 2025, biometric logins have been integrated into the app for secure balance checking.